Money is not just for spending, it is a tool for building your future. Many people work hard for money, but few learn how to make money work for them. Wisdom begins when you understand that every amount you earn has a purpose. Firstly, develop the habit of saving. Saving is not what is left after spending, it is what you set aside before spending. Even if your income is small, consistently saving a portion of it builds financial discipline. Small amounts saved regularly can grow into something significant over time. Secondly, distinguish between needs and wants. Many people struggle financially not because they earn too little, but because they spend too much on things that do not add lasting value to their lives. Before making a purchase, ask yourself, do I need this or do I simply want it? Thirdly, do not allow your savings to sit idle forever. Learn about investing. Investing means putting your money into assets that have the potential to grow and generate income over time. This may include businesses, stocks, mutual funds, real estate, or other legitimate investment opportunities. The goal is to make your money multiply while you focus on other areas of life. Fourthly, never invest in something you do not understand. Knowledge is one of the greatest protections against financial loss. Take time to learn, ask questions, and seek advice from credible financial professionals before committing your money. Fifth, avoid the temptation of get-rich-quick schemes. Wealth built overnight often disappears overnight. True financial success is usually the result of patience, consistency, wise decisions, and long-term thinking. Finally, remember that financial freedom is not about how much money you make, it is about how well you manage what you have. Save diligently, invest wisely, live below your means, and allow time to work in your favor. A person who masters these principles is building not only wealth, but also stability, peace of mind, and opportunities for future generations. Save with discipline, invest with wisdom, and let time become your greatest financial partner.